Fractional HR may be a perfect solution for your startup business. Working on a budget? Time to consider outsourcing your HR needs. Fractional HR allows you to outsource your human resources needs to a third party instead of relying on an internal department that will increase overhead and expenses. This cost-effective HR solution provides you with expertise in a particular area, depending on the current needs of your business, and the flexibility to have experienced human resource professionals on demand or over a set period of hours per month. How can fractional HR work for you? Your fractional HR team can consist of various roles: HR administrator, HR generalist, HR manager, HR coordinator, HR director. Depending on your specific needs, it can be a single individual or an entire team. Combined, the roles generally assume the following responsibilities: recruiting, infrastructure, culture, benefits, compliance. To discover if fractional HR is right for you, and for more information, visit masstalenthr.com.